The works of the 9th Pharmaceutical Care Conference that began its sessions yesterday continues for the second day at the Oman Convention and Exhibition Center. The conference, which comes under the theme Towards Professional Excellence in Pharmacy Practice, gathers about 1,000 pharmacists, physicians, nurses, assistant pharmacists from various Ministry of Health institutions, along with participants from the GCC countries and other countries of the world.
There are lots of progress in healthcare, and particularly in the pharmaceutical industry. The quality of care depends not only on the doctors. It is a multi-sectorial, multidisciplinary team, and the pharmacists are a very essential part of any appropriate healthcare. And the pharmacists in Oman are, most of them trained in Oman, well trained, and this conference, of course, will give them opportunities to learn from countries and from experts who've been in this field for many, many years. There have been workshops in addition, of course, to the lectures, and there are lots of new development. There's something called biosimilar. Biological agents are very expensive, they are very effective. The biosimilars, of course, according to all the scientific publication and the research, are as effective as biological agent with very much lower price.
The first day program of the conference addressed a plenary session titled Towards a Safety Culture. This session touched upon creating a culture of safety through engaging leadership staff and patients, the journey towards a just culture, the Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi experience, the impact of implementation accreditation standards on safety culture.
I'm enjoying being at the Pharmaceutical Care Conference in Oman for the fourth time already, being invited as a speaker and a workshop moderator, and also to follow the Smart Pharmacy program that we have been just seeing wonderful results from. For me, it's a place to meet, it's a place to exchange experience, it's a place to learn about Middle East culture and healthcare system. Very valuable speakers, excellent hot topics in the pharmacy profession, and it's growing. I've seen lots of changes in the pharmacists' attitudes, and they recognize more and more how important they are, and it's wonderful to see that transformation.
The program also included parallel sessions on pharmacy practice and health systems. These sessions discussed a number of important scientific issues, including the pharmaceutical care best practices, the Omani pharmacy experiences and outcomes, emergency and disaster preparedness and response plan, the PHAR model, the transition of care in pharmacy practice, good practice in radiopharmaceuticals, furthermore, the Sustainable Development Goals by 2030 pharmacy career pathways and readiness, and healthcare systems and pharmacy practice in Oman.
And it's my privilege to be working with the Ministry of Health here in Oman with the Smart Pharmacy program, and it's been extremely successful in Oman. And tonight at the conference opening, we saw some wonderful results that we're seeing a great impact that the pharmacist is making on patient care, particularly in the area of patient safety. So that is a big focus of the conference this year, focusing on the different roles that the pharmacist can play in improving patient care. And it's my privilege and our privilege to be involved with the ministry in that very exciting program, and it's definitely having a great impact on the motivation of the pharmacist.
The opening ceremony included the launch of the Pharmaceutical Care Policies and Procedures Manual in healthcare institutions of the Ministry of Health. During the opening ceremony, the Minister of Health honored a number of pharmacists for receiving the title of Excellence Pharmacist from the Ministry of Health, Armed Force Hospital and the D1 Medical Services. The Minister also opened an exhibition which includes 40 pharmaceutical manufacturers, specialized institutions in pharmacy sector, as well as small and medium enterprises in response to a close partnership to communicate and keep pace with the latest medications and technology. Abdallah bin Ahmed Rubaiey, Sultanate of Oman Television, Oman Convention and Exhibition Center.